I like everything about the pedal. Really, this is a preamp and is best used going into the effects loop bypassing your amp's own preamp. Could work out in a pinch for a gigging musicians whose AC30 just blows multiple tubes or transistors. I like a OD I can play blues chords on without it being muddy sounding, and this Actone can do it right. It works with other drives like my modded Fat Rat, that is the original circuit by Mod S Mike's Mods. I read reviews and they were accurate as this pedal replaced a very good Green Rhino OD pedal. This pedal using humbuckers keeps the tone under control while breaking up with chords very nicely indeed. The tone is great. The voice control does a good job of setting the EQ of your amp tone. And I'm very pleased with this pedal. I played it through a Bad Cat Cougar 5-watt combo W vintage 30 speaker using my Epiphone traditional LP, and it slaps out chord breakup without a muddy tone but like a Vox AC1530 amp. When I cut on the Rat pedal the leads just sing with sustain. Very nicely done JOYO on this one. So, the first JOYO pedal I bought was the American model. This was about a year ago, and it's been a staple on my board ever since. I can't believe the quality for the price. These are great for amp modeling, DI recording, tone shaping, or even just in EQ or overdrive. This time I bought an AC tone for my father to spice up his old Gibson amp without drastically changing the sound. Well, JOYO pedals, and other cheaper manufacturers, can be touch and go when it comes to quality. The first one I ordered I had to have replaced as it was noisy and none of the controls seemed to be configured correctly. After I let Amazon know it was faulty, I received a new one the next day. This one was clean and quiet, and the controls were wired perfectly. Anyways, his old amp shines now with better EQ than the actual amp itself. So enough rambling. Don't sit on the fence because of the price. Get one.